Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So if you own an Amazon Echo device like an Echo Dot, Echo Studio, or Echo Show, you probably know you can ask Alexa to play music. But did you know you can also cast music from the Amazon Music app directly to your Echo? So this gives you more control to browse and pick specific songs on your phone while the audio plays through your Echo speaker. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you 2 ways to get Amazon Music playing on your Echo device, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So we have the first option, casting from the Amazon Music itself. I'm talking about the app on Android or even iOS. Just make sure your phone and your Echo device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. We're gonna go all the way and open our Amazon Music app for you. Even though I'm using the website for now, but you should be able to access your app. So just go through your app, look for the whichever song you are listening to, and there will be a cast icon on basically this right corner or the left corner depending on your version. Then tap on it and tap on connect. You will see a list of available devices for your basically Echo device in the list. It might be named something like Living Room Dot or Kitchen Echo depending on the version of it and on the name you gave it. So tap your Echo device, the music will stop playing from your phone and start playing through the Echo. Your phone now acts as a remote. You can browse for other songs and they will play through the Echo. You can also use Alexa voice commands. It's also simpler. Just say Alexa play, give it the song, playlist, artist on Amazon Music, and it will start playing automatically. And that was it for today, so thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.